Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Anna. You know what my favorite 2 words in English are? It's Friday! Because that means the weekend is coming. The weekend. Those beautiful 2 days when we don't work, when we can relax, have fun, spend time with people we love. But here's something interesting. Everyone spends their weekend differently. Some people stay home and rest. Some people go out and explore. Some people are busy. So today, we're talking about weekends. How do you spend yours? What do you like to do? And most importantly, how do we talk about weekends in English? And to help me today, my co-host Ben is here. Ben, what did you do last weekend?
Hey everyone! Last weekend, I slept until noon on Saturday.
That sounds relaxing. See everyone, that's one way to spend a weekend.
Nodding happily. Today we'll learn all the vocabulary and phrases for talking about weekends.
By the end, you'll be able to talk about your weekend activities naturally in English.
Let's dive in.
Here we go. Let's start with the most common question. What are you doing this weekend?
Or, any plans for the weekend? This is how people start conversations on Friday.
Hey Ben, any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm planning to go hiking on Saturday. How about you?
Not much. Just staying home and relaxing. Maybe watch some movies.
See? Natural conversation. Let's break it down.
I'm planning to... This means you have a plan for the future.
How about you?
Asking the other person about their plans. Not much. This means nothing special, nothing big.
Very casual and common. What are other ways to talk about plans?
I'm going to. I might. I'm thinking about. I'd like to.
I'm going to visit my parents. I might go shopping. I'm thinking about trying that new restaurant.
I'd like to go to the beach if the weather is nice.
Notice the if. We often mention conditions for weekend plans.
If it doesn't rain, if I have time, if I'm not too tired.
What if you have no plans?
I don't have any plans yet. Nothing special. Just taking it easy.
I'll probably just stay home. I'm keeping it low-key.
Low-key means simple, quiet, not exciting.
What if you're really busy?
I have a packed weekend. I'm super busy this weekend. I have so much to do.
Packed means very full, very busy.
Now let's talk about activities. First, things you do at home.
Because not everyone wants to go out. Staying home is great too.
Absolutely. Ben, what do you like to do at home on weekends?
I love sleeping in. That means waking up late, no alarm clock.
Me too. Sleeping in is the best weekend activity.
I also binge watch TV shows.
Binge watch means watching many episodes in a row, like 5, 6, 7 episodes.
Sometimes I watch a whole season in one day.
That's definitely binge watching. What else?
Catch up on sleep. I'm always tired during the week.
Catch up on means doing something you didn't have time for.
Nodding. Catch up on sleep. Catch up on reading. Catch up on housework.
Speaking of housework, many people do chores on weekends.
Not my favorite, but necessary.
Do laundry, clean the house, organize closets, wash the car.
Meal prep. That means preparing food for the whole week.
Yes, more home activities. Cooking, baking, gardening.
I love baking cookies on Sunday morning.
I enjoy working in my garden on weekends.
What about hobbies?
Reading books, playing video games, doing puzzles, crafting.
Listening to podcasts, learning something new online, practicing an instrument.
I spend my weekends learning guitar. I like to paint on Saturday afternoons.
And sometimes doing nothing is perfect.
Yes, just chillin', lounging around, being lazy.
Chilling means relaxing. Lounging means laying around comfortably.
I'm just gonna be a couch potato this weekend.
Couch potato means someone who sits on the couch all day watching TV.
Now let's talk about going out. Adventure time.
For people who like to be active and explore.
Going to restaurants, cafes, bars. Let's grab brunch.
Brunch is breakfast plus lunch, usually 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on weekends.
Want to grab brunch on Sunday? Very common weekend question.
Shopping. Window shopping, going to the mall, browsing stores.
Window shopping means looking at things, but not buying.
I'm just browsing.
Movies. Catch a movie. Go see a film. Hit the cinema.
Concerts, theater shows, exhibitions. We're going to see a band tonight.
Outdoor activities. Hiking, biking, running, walking.
Going to the park, the beach, the lake, the mountains.
We're going for a hike this weekend. I'm hitting the trails.
Hitting means going to, it's casual. Hitting the gym, hitting the mall.
Sports activities?
Playing basketball, tennis, golf, going to the gym, doing yoga.
I play soccer every Saturday morning. I have a tennis match on Sunday.
Social activities, hanging out with friends, meeting up, getting together.
We're hanging out at Mike's place. Let's meet up for coffee.
We're getting together for dinner. Having a barbecue. Throwing a party.
Throwing a party means hosting or organizing a party.
Family activities. Visiting relatives. Family dinners. Going to grandma's house.
We're visiting my parents this weekend. Having Sunday dinner with the family.
Now let's learn how to talk about what you did last weekend.
This is Monday morning conversation. Everyone asks, how was your weekend?
Hey Ben, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking with some friends. How about yours?
Pretty good. I stayed home and caught up on some reading.
See? Natural, past tense conversation.
How was your weekend? The most common Monday question.
Responses. It was great. Pretty good. Not bad. It was okay.
It was amazing. It was exhausting if you were too busy.
It was too short. Everyone says this.
So true. It flew by. It went by too fast.
Now giving details. Use past tense.
I went to the beach. I saw a movie. I met up with friends.
I stayed home. I did some shopping. I visited my family.
On Saturday, I went to the farmer's market and bought fresh vegetables. Then I cooked a big dinner for my friends.
Nice. You're giving a sequence. First, then, after that.
First, I slept in. Then I had brunch. After that, I went for a walk.
On Saturday morning, in the afternoon, Sunday evening.
On Saturday morning, I went to yoga. In the afternoon, I relaxed at home.
What if your weekend was boring?
I didn't do much. Nothing special. Just relaxed at home.
That's okay. Not every weekend needs to be exciting.
I had a quiet weekend. I took it easy. I just recharged my batteries.
Recharged my batteries means rested and got energy back.
What if it was a bad weekend?
It was rough. Not great, honestly. I was sick all weekend.
Oh no, that's too bad. I'm sorry to hear that.
Let's talk about different types of weekends people have.
Because weekends can be very different.
Type 1, the productive weekend.
This is when you get a lot done. I had such a productive weekend.
Cleaned the whole house, organized everything, finished projects.
I finally finished painting the bedroom. I organized my entire closet.
Type 2, the adventure weekend.
Trying new things, going new places. We had such an adventure.
We drove to the mountains and tried rock climbing for the first time.
We explored a new neighborhood and found this amazing cafe.
Type 3, the chill weekend.
Relaxed, no plans, just relaxing. I had a really chill weekend.
I just stayed in my pajamas all day. I didn't leave the house once.
I binge watched my favorite show and ate ice cream.
Type 4, the social weekend.
Lots of people, lots of activities. My weekend was so social.
Friday night drinks with coworkers, Saturday brunch with friends, Sunday dinner with family.
I'm exhausted from being so social.
I'm exhausted from socializing. Type 5, the ketchup weekend.
Doing all the things you didn't have time for during the week.
I spent the whole weekend catching up on errands.
I had so many appointments. Doctor, dentist, haircut.
Type 6, the staycation weekend.
Staycation means vacation at home, acting like a tourist in your own city.
We did a staycation, visited museums, ate at fancy restaurants, slept in.
We pretended to be tourists and it was so fun.
Every type of weekend is good.
As long as you enjoy it, that's what matters.
Some people need active weekends, some need quiet weekends.
Do what makes you happy.
What a fun episode about weekends!
We learned so much vocabulary and so many phrases.
How to talk about weekend plans, activities at home, activities going out, past weekends, and different types of weekends.
Plus, natural expressions like sleeping in, catching up, binge watching, and couch potato.
Remember everyone, how was your weekend is one of the most common questions in English.
Practice answering it. Tell stories about what you did.
Your homework this week, write down what you did last weekend in English.
Use past tense. I went, I saw, I did.
Then practice telling someone, your teacher, a friend, or even yourself in the mirror.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Quick question for everyone. What's your favorite way to spend a weekend?
Are you a productive person? An adventurer? A chill person?
I'm definitely a chill weekend person. Netflix and rest.
I like a mix. Adventure on Saturday, chill on Sunday.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
If this episode helped you, please share it with friends learning English.
And subscribe. Next week, we'll talk about talking your favorite room at home.
That's going to be really interesting.
Until then, enjoy your weekend.
Make it a good one.
However you spend it, sleep in, go out, stay busy, or do nothing.
Your weekend, your choice.
Have an amazing weekend. See you next week.
Enjoy every moment. Goodbye.